Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have an eyebrow tutorial for you guys, and I will be using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz in the color chocolate. And this is how the brow wiz looks. It's like a little pencil. And for concealer, I will be using the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Creamy Beige. So the first thing that I'm going to do is take the spoolie at the end of the brow wiz and just comb through my brows. Comb them in the way that you would want your brows to look once they are made up, once they are colored on. Now I'm going to start from the middle of my brow and I'm going to trace the brow on the inner part of my brow, not the outer. I'm going to do that both on the top and the bottom. And try to make the shape that you want at the tail of your brow and then just fill it in. Try to fill in anywhere that you see that you don't have any hair. Then I take my spoolie and I just brush that out in order to avoid any harsh lines. And now I'm gonna go in the beginning of my brow and do the same thing. Now for the very front of my brow, I just go in very carefully with the pencil and draw it in. I try to follow the natural way the hair is going in the beginning and try to create somewhat of a straight line, not too harsh, so that it can look more defined. And I do like to go in the entire brow just to fill in anywhere I might have missed. Now I'm going to take my spoolie and just comb through it all the way. And don't worry if it doesn't look perfect, because once we go in with the concealer, it will start to take a better shape. So now once again, I'm going to go in on my other brow. I'm going to start toward the end. This brow is a bit more sparse. So if you have this problem with your brows, try to go in as slow as you can, because the more attention you pay to the shape that you're creating, the more you'll be able to match your brows. And always remember, your brows are sisters, not twins. So if you have to go in and do any adjustments, just take your time with it. Now I'm gonna go in with my concealer. And I'm just gonna use a flat brush like this. As you can see, I've already been using it. And I'm gonna take some of this product. And I don't like to take a lot of product because then if you apply too much, it'll be harder for you to blend out later. So I just take some and I follow my brow. Just try to follow the natural shape of your brow. And I'm gonna do that again for the other side. Now I'm going to go in with a flat brush from e.l.f. And I'm going to just blend that out. Be careful when blending it out that you don't erase your brows. Even if you do, you can always go in and add the color back in. Now always remember to check your brows to make sure that they match each other. And that you blended out the concealer really well. And this is how I'll do my eyebrows. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.